Farm animals. Moo. Cows eat grass. A group of cows is called a herd.
Yes.
People drink milk that comes from cows.
Wow. Yeah.
Milk comes from udders. Guess what? One cow can give enough milk in a day to fill 400 glasses.
Wow.
Cluck cluck. Hen. Chicks. Rooster. A mommy chicken is called a hen. A daddy is a rooster. Babies are chicks. Hens lay eggs. Chicks hatch from eggs. Guess what? Chickens are birds. They have feathers.
Wow.
Baa. Sheep grow lots of hair called wool. People shave sheep when their wool is long. Before shearing. After shearing. People use sheep wool to make sweaters. Guess what? Shaving sheep is called shearing. Neigh. Horses can run fast. Horses give people rides. Guess what? Horses can sleep standing up. Oink oink. Black. Pink. Black and white. Pigs come in many colors. A mother pig can have many babies at once. Baby pigs are called piglets. Guess what? A pig's nose is called a snout. The pig uses its snout to find food. Look at all the farm animals you learned about. Which farm animal gives us milk?
Yes.
Which one hatches from an egg?
Yes.
Which farm animal gives us wool?
Yes.
Which one can you ride?
Yes.
Which farm animal has babies called piglets? Farm animals.
Okay. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.